YouTube, just wanted to show you how this tow build. I already told you I'm going to tow these other bikes with this bike. I'm going to keep the tires the same. You know what I mean? If somebody want to ride some dirt, I might do that. You know what I mean? A little dirt drag or something. Other than that, it ain't really about, this bike ain't really a race bike. I'm just going to keep the high tooth sprocket on the back, and yeah, so I just keep the torque in so I can pull these other bikes. You know what I mean? That's a fork off a DB30. That's a DB30R frame. The DB30S forks. Motor is in. So, I just took drilling. I used the 5/8, and yeah, same bolt, and yeah, I'm gonna use this to tow. Like I said, it's just a tow. I just got done drilling them holes and wiping all the damn shards and shit off of the damn thing, and got the nuts and bolts in, and yeah, man, get ready to give it its first run here soon. Yeah, got a new chain for it, and you know, like I said, just to tow these other bikes in with. So I just wanted to let y'all in on the progress, man. Yeah, I've been getting everything back together now. Oil, of course, you need oil to drill holes into metal, man. You don't drill without that oil. Or else you're just gonna be creating too much damn heat, and it's gonna dull your shit. Then get you a towel so you can wipe down everything and keep everything nice. And I would say a file, just to, you know, file down any of the little burrs or the little shards of metal so you don't fuck yourself up when you putting them bolts in. And yeah, other than that, man, this is gonna work out just fine for me. So it's the tow build, man. I just want to let y'all see. So yeah, YouTube, 2 people that unsubscribed to me, y'all keep watching. I know y'all watching.